Disclaimer: the following tutorial is made only considering PC. I am not fully aware of the difficulties mobile players may encounter if they try to follow this tutorial. Hello everyone, it has taken a long time but I finally decided to make this tutorial. To their credit, the YouTuber Magic already made this exact tutorial, however I created a small tool that I will be incorporating in this process, plus some people may just find a vocal tutorial easier. For clarity, this is a tutorial on how to import already existing skyboxes into PulseRP, not how to make entirely new ones from scratch. The latter can require any amount of artistic talents, and I do not think I'm cut out to explain that. Before we begin, however, this tutorial requires the BT Roblox plugin. The link for this plugin will be in the description. The first step is to just find a skybox we want to import. I frequent this website called Polyhaven because all of their assets are high quality and public domain. Again, the link to that will be in the description. So I'm just going to look for something I like. You can use anything here, but I will be using Roglin Clear Night. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that first word, but that's what I'm calling it. Okay, so to get the panorama here, you want to click the 3 lines in the top right and then click 8K tone map to JPEG. And after you open that, just save it to wherever. The next step is converting this panorama into a cube map because Roblox only takes the individual decals, not an entire panorama. Luckily, there's another handy site for this, the link will be in the description. Let's just not touch any of these settings and import the panorama. After it's finished processing, we want to download all the faces, which you can just do by left-clicking on them individually. There's 6 of them. After you've downloaded all of those, it's now time to upload them to Roblox. So from the main page, you want to select Create at the top, and then Creations to the left. After that, click on Development Items right here and then navigate to Decals. Now just drag and upload each decal individually. I would recommend keeping the name the same because it'll be easier later. After uploading all of your decals, it'll take a few moments to finish processing through Roblox. You'll know when you refresh your page and the decals that have finished processing will actually appear rather than being a white square. However, if your decals are still a white square after a few minutes, just try re-uploading them. Now it's time to actually assemble the Skybox code that we will be importing into the game. This is where BT Roblox plugin comes in, so again, if you do not have this step will not work. So on our decal page here, you want to click the 3 dots on the decal we want and select Open Asset Details. Now this is important, the ID in the URL at the top, it will not work. Each decal has 2 types of IDs and the second one is the one that works, which we can get via a BT Roblox edition. To get this second ID type, click this Explore button to the right and then select the decal. After that, let's go to texture here and drag until we reach the end of the link. This ID is the one we want to copy, not the one at the top, the one that is tucked in here. After we have that copied, we'll be moving on to the small tool I mentioned. This is a Google Sheet that will automatically insert the IDs into a Skybox code for you. The link will be in the description. To be able to edit the spreadsheet, just make a copy of it yourself, because obviously I can't have everyone editing this one spreadsheet. So the blue text is what we will be changing. So I have the first code copied, aka the decal named PY, which is why I wanted the decal name to stay the same so I know where it could go. So just paste it in there. And we will be doing this for every ID, of course, just pasting it where it needs to go. By the way, this tool also allows you to replace the sun and moon textures. We will not be doing that here though, but just keep that in mind if you want to do that. Now after you do that, you want to click on the green text below and copy it. Now within PulseRP, open up the world menu, select whatever slot you want to replace, click import slot, paste what is in your clipboard and then select import. Good, now we have our skybox. Of course the environment will only look good after adjusting the in-game settings. Anyways, that's the tutorial. Hope it was helpful. If you want the code for this skybox specifically, it will be located in the extra section on my Skybox website, which will be linked in the description. Thank you very much.